So let's get into the wild story of our planet's survival and how catastrophe literally created us. Believe it or not, Earth's worst days were also its most creative. They wiped the slate clean. We're going to look at three great resets that completely changed the course of life on this planet. Okay, first up, the Great Freeze. Over 650 million years ago, the world became a giant snowball. So what happened was a huge geological event basically ripped away the Earth's warming blanket. Yeah, the average temperature plummeted to -50 Celsius. The whole planet was covered in ice. But deep beneath the ice, volcanoes were still at work, pumping the air full of CO2. This created a mega greenhouse effect, and the big thaw, it flooded the oceans with oxygen. And that oxygen-rich world sparked something amazing, the Cambrian explosion. Life got complex. We're talking simple life evolving into crazy new forms with armor, eyes, even primitive spines. So life was thriving for millions of years, but the planet's biggest test was just around the corner. This time, it was volcanoes in Siberia. They just wouldn't stop, turning the world completely toxic. The result was the worst extinction event ever. 95% of all species, just gone. The top predators, the Gorgonopsids, were wiped out. This left a huge opening for something new. And from that devastation, the dinosaurs rose. They would go on to rule for 165 million years. The dinosaurs' rule felt like it would last forever, but something from space had other plans. An asteroid about 10 kilometers wide was heading straight for Earth, a real planet killer. Just to give you some scale, this thing was taller than Mount Everest. Absolutely massive. The impact triggered a global firestorm, then plunged the entire planet into a long, dark winter. So it was the end for the dinosaurs. But for tiny mammals hiding underground, a new beginning. With the giants gone, our ancestors came out of hiding. This was their chance, and they took it. So you see, each of these resets shows us that destruction can actually be an incredible creative force. Our very existence is a fluke. It kind of makes you wonder what's going to happen in the next reset.